Hello guys, here is OxG again, and today I want to show you guys what good seedling germination is, germination ratio. So you can see here I actually have different varieties of tomato here, different varieties, and their germination rate is actually very good. Like if I'm checking this one right now, my goodness, this is like 99%, or let's just say 98%. So the germination rate for this guy is actually good. There are different varieties here actually. This is Kilele. Yeah, this is Kilele. There are some other ones here that the germination rate is not that very good. This is December Blue, very good as well. Both of them are very good. So this particular seedling, my aim for them is to test. They're actually for open field, not for greenhouses. To test which one does better, during this particular phase, and to increase more energy in my planting. So this is what good germination looks like. The germination rate is actually very good, and you can see how healthy they are. And this also has to do with your management practices. How you adhere to management practices on your farm will help you get this kind of results, because I'll tell you this is a very good result. See how they're looking very healthy, very healthy. So stay tuned guys, I will walk you guys through when this one is due for transplanting on the open field. So I'll show you subsequently to see how it is going, and when we're doing another set of bell pepper, I think I will document that as well from the ground up, so you see how everything is going. See you guys other time. Stay profitable in farming.